Toyota's multi-information display provides real-time tire pressure monitoring with enhanced accuracy. Let's explore how to access this valuable information through your vehicle's MID system. The multi-information display is the central digital screen in your Toyota's instrument cluster. This advanced system provides comprehensive tire pressure readings with precision up to plus or minus 1 psi. There are two primary methods to access tire pressure information on your Toyota. You can use the steering wheel controls for hands-on navigation, or utilize the touchscreen interface for direct menu access. To access tire pressure information, follow this simple navigation path. Start by selecting Vehicle Settings, then navigate to TPMS, and finally select Tire Pressure Display. The system uses intuitive menu structures to minimize driver distraction. The tire pressure display shows individual readings for each tire position: front left, front right, and rear right. Advanced models also display spare tire pressure and tire temperature readings, providing comprehensive tire health monitoring with real-time updates. Toyota's multi-information display tire pressure monitoring system is designed with user safety in mind. It reduces driver distraction while providing comprehensive tire health information with enhanced accuracy. This intuitive system helps maintain optimal tire performance and vehicle safety. Toyota's advanced tire pressure monitoring system displays different types of alerts to keep you safe. Understanding these warning levels helps you respond appropriately before problems become critical. When a tire pressure alert appears, follow these essential steps. First, safely pull over and inspect your tires visually for any obvious damage, punctures, or foreign objects. The recommended tire pressure for your specific Toyota model is found on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. This sticker shows the exact PSI needed for optimal performance and safety. After inflating your tires to the correct pressure, you must calibrate the TPMS system. This ensures accurate future readings and prevents false alerts from appearing on your display. Proper tire pressure monitoring and maintenance provides significant benefits. Studies show that maintaining optimal pressure through MID monitoring extends tire life by 15,000 miles and improves fuel efficiency by 3 to 5%.